Is it just me, or do you even find yourself telling people to just Google it whenever they have a question that you don't have the answer to? Google is one of the biggest companies in the world, and every day, millions of people use it to look up information, discover new trends, follow their favorite celebrities on social media, read, watch movies, and visit websites. However, did you know that a simple Google trick can generate a lot of money for you? All you need is your phone or a computer and an internet connection. You can use this method wherever you are in the world. So keep watching until the end of the video to learn more about the strategy and perhaps earn up to $2,500 each day. Now that we've returned to the video, I want you to go to Google and search for the word Google News. Or just visit the website directly if you prefer news.google.com. This will take you to this page. However, if you want to be paid by Google, you should pay close attention to the different news categories on the left side of the page. Business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health are the current popular topics that people want to learn more about. If you click on one of these links, you will find the news associated with that area. There are many articles here that all look very professional, so pick one that interests you for the next step. After choosing one, simply click on the link to be taken to the official article, which contains all of the news about the topic we chose. Now comes the magic part. Using Google News and articles from other people's professional articles is a great way to make money. Simply copy these sentences or the entire paragraph. And as we go to the next step, visit spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free text rewriting tool, as you can see here. It rewrites text, and all you have to do to use it is to paste the paragraph that we previously copied over here, and click this button to start rewriting the articles. Simply paste the paragraph here to start the waiting game, and Spinbot will help you completely rewrite the article to create something entirely new and original. To do this, just paste the paragraph here and press this button. The power of Google and AI technology can be used to rewrite articles. Make them more your own and change them into content that is above comparison and where you can make loads and loads of money using this strategy. I know most of you are somewhat familiar with this. So to complete the third phase, you must visit 3 different websites. Stay with me until the end of this video to learn more about each one. Take note, visiting more websites means earning more money. The first website is TextBroker. This is textbroker.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on I write content here at the top, and then click on Payment. They'll show you how much money you could potentially make. You can get paid instantly here. It all depends on the quality of your article, of course. You'll be given star ratings, and different ratings correspond to different amounts of money you'll be paid per word on this website. Again, you don't have to write your own articles, and you don't need writing experience or skills for this. All you have to do is go to Google News and look for other people's articles. The mighty Spinbot will then rewrite the entire article, and the exciting part is that you can get paid just for searching on Google. You can do this. Anyone can do this, and even more so, if you're using top-notch Google articles, you'd be getting ratings from 4 to 5 stars, which will then be rewarded with bags of money. It's one of the simplest strategies I've seen in a while for beginners to grasp, and you can combine multiple articles into one to increase the word count and your earnings. Here are some valid reasons to sign up with TextBroker right away. It's free to join, and you have a ton of flexibility and freedom when it comes to time, and you can submit as many articles as you like, and they pay you weekly. Once you've earned $10, and you can start withdrawing money directly into your account. Now keep watching because I'll be showing you 2 more websites where you may get paid for submitting articles created by others. The second website we have is iWriter.com, and iWriter only requires 5 simple steps to work. Step 1. Create a free account. Step 2. Request the kind of content you want to work on. You must first choose the category for the articles you want to create. And as you can see, you can choose from a variety of popular categories, like business, technology, entertainment, and etc. Step 3. Receiving your content from a writer. Step 4. Review our content, and you can either accept it or reject it. And Step 5. Download your content and get paid. They will pay you well here, and as you can see from this page. Now your earnings will vary based on what customers purchase. Under Elite, for 300 words, that's around $8.05. If you go higher, let's assume you're serious about this, for 4,000 words, that's about $95. The good news is that if you provide high-quality articles, like those from Google News, you can join the Elite Plus category, where you can earn about $300 for up to 3,500 words, which is a significant sum of money. You can use the same article again and again by submitting it to textbroker.com and iWriter.com. Just think about how much money you can make from multiple websites with just one article. Again, signing up for these websites is free. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now that we've returned to the video, we're going to the third website that we're going to show you today, which is called Scripted. I want you to go to scripted.com because they usually pay you for any articles you've written. All you have to do is click the button to become a writer, which will take you to this page where you can apply to work as a freelancer unscripted and submit your application right here. These days, you can work in any industry and in any category. The reason why Google and Google News are so popular is that they cover the most well-known and trending topics that people are interested in. There are simply too many resources and various news and articles, and they'll keep updating them every day, including science, technology, entertainment, and even health. Since no one else is mentioning this method, it is my goal to share the most innovative and cutting-edge technology with you guys. Using an AI program called Spinbot, you can rewrite an article. This is excellent and beginner-friendly to start, and payment is guaranteed here. You can get paid instantly 15 days after acceptance. And you can set your price compared to the two previous websites. By charging more, you can effectively double your earnings because they pay you well and let you work whenever and wherever you want. They currently accept applications from more than 20 countries. Simply click the Apply Now button to be taken to this page, where you can complete your registration to create a free account. To get paid from Google, use the power of Google and Google News to find multiple articles, rewrite them, and submit them to 3 different websites. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.